But I suppose they're just fortunate to have the privilege of collaborating with someone of my caliber. Excuse me, did someone come before me? Like, may umupo ba dito?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Because I can't afford to have COVID. I'm very important for the company right now, so you can blame me. So, hi, in case you didn't know me, my name is John Fraser Ko. I'm called Fres by some, but only close friends and family members can call me like that. Fresco. But for you guys, since it's just an interview, Fraser na lang. Well, in Bleak Manila, I am rocking it as one of the most, if not the most brilliant senior strategists around. Definitely.
So what are your responsibilities and day-to-day tasks as a strategist?
As a senior strategist, you mean? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me silent this one. I'm just very important for this company. Hold on. Well, in essence, I'm the utak of the campaign. So to speak, my work starts by doing a research work, uncovering insights from data, then I effortlessly craft the game plan or the strat mismo. So basically, my work also serves as the foundation of creatives. Think about this way. Wala silang mapipigang ideas if wala ko. Kaya I am guiding force behind the biggest and the most successful campaigns you have ever seen. And I think that's just about it.
How's your relationship with your team?
To be frank, I prefer working alone. But I suppose they're just fortunate to have the privilege of collaborating with someone of my caliber. So I just let them follow along with whatever I'm doing. But regardless whether may kasama ako or not, I can do it myself naman.
In the strategies that you make, how do you remain attentive or cautious with the messaging you put out once they are executed?
Huh? I mean, what do you mean?
Whenever graphics are...
Got it. A political question pala. Sorry, was not expecting that lang. But yeah, to answer questions, I don't. I mean, I didn't try to be cautious or attentive kasi natural na lang sa akin yun eh. But yeah, besides, it's not really my job to worry about. That's above my pay grade. But you know what? I think you should ask the creatives the same question.